Today we're going to be talking about the constant of proportionality. This is also the same as having the constant rate. It's a multiplicative relationship. So today we will determine the constant rate of proportionality from a scenario. And you, the student, will calculate the constant of proportionality from a scenario by making a table. So for today's activity, you're going to be given a scenario. The pencil is showing that you're going to fill in the table. The video is this video that you're watching. So for the first problem, we have that the graph below represents the speed of a car. What is the constant proportionality? To find the constant proportionality, we will be using the table. We're going to skip the very first box for each one of these tables, and we will complete just two pieces from it. So I go to 0, I come over and see that my x is 30, and it goes up to 60. So my ordered pair is 30 and 60. My next one I see is 60 and 120. So I'm going to type in 60 and 120. Now, what is happening to go from my x over to my y? The numbers are increasing. So that means it's multiplicative. What do I multiply 30 by to get 60? We multiply by 2. So what do we multiply 60 by? 60 by 2 is 120. That allows us to get our constant rate. So we're multiplying x by 2. So if x is 1, my speed is 2. So my constant of proportionality here is 2 because I am changing from left to right by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 times 2 is 120. That is the constant rate, the constant proportionality. Now go back in and make sure you fill that in on that table. Now we'll do the next table. This one says that the graph below represents the total number of cups of coffee and the total amount of sugar required to make the coffee. What is the constant proportionality? Once again, we're going to skip the first box and we'll fill in the second box. I go to the graph, I see 0 to 4. So I'm going to put 4. When I follow 4 up, I see that it goes to 20. The next ordered pair I see, I'm going to go over and I see I have 8 goes up and over to 40. So 8 and 40. Once again, I'm going to look at this. What do I do to get from 4 to 20? Well, I multiply by 5. Let's check the next one. Is 8 times 5 40? That works. So 1 pound is going to be 5 cups of coffee. So my constant proportionality is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 8 is 40. And you can confirm that up on the table. I look at 20. 20 times 5 gives us 100. Now be sure to go back and insert that information into that table.